Feels a little fluid from that. Quite happy with the card as well. We got minimal left.
Line post for your wet clothes to hang in the shower. No foot rail if you ladies like to shave. Nice, clean. Storage, beautiful mirror, under storage, basic, little bin, and this is cabin, balcony cabin, 7356. Hooks there so you can hang your lanyards with your C-Pass cards as you're coming in, and that's your information for any emergencies. This is your wardrobe. You got your hangers, your life jackets, secondary hangers that you can bring down to hang like your secondary trousers, your skirts, and then you got your